Super Crew. So here's your video to work through the DLR week 28, day 2. Make sure you have that paper in front of you and a pen or a pencil ready to roll. So here we go. Number 1, correcting the sentences. A lighthouse is a tower that has a light at the top. All right, so I see 2 major issues here, mostly in spelling. Number 1, we should look at the word tower. Now, it's true. Here we have a bossy R, U-R being the bossy R. And when U comes with the R, it says a sound, kind of like a creaking door sound. But this is the wrong vowel to use here in this word. In fact, tower is spelled T-O-W-E-R. And I don't have the whiteboard that Miss Deborah has at my house, unfortunately. So you'll have to get the correction right here from the screen instead of me writing the full thing out. What I would like everyone to do at home, though, is write their full sentence out, the entire sentence out with the correction. So here we go. A lighthouse is a tower that has a light at the top. Now, if we sound this word light out, indeed, it does sound correct, but unfortunately, this is the incorrect spelling for light. So, incorrect spelling for light. In fact, light is spelled with the GHT, that IT sound, the IT sound. So those are the 2 things in that sentence. Number 2, the purpose of a lighthouse is to make bright light that ships can see. Okay, again, the errors in this sentence are mainly spelling errors. Here we go with another bossy R error. You might also call it an R-controlled vowel instead of the bossy R. So ER indeed says ER, UR, they both say that sound. But it's not an ER in this word that we're going to use. It's the UR. So this word would be spelled P-U-R-P-O-S-E, purpose. The purpose of a lighthouse is to make bright light. So here we have a similar mistake as to number 1. They use I-T-E. And again, this word has the IT sound in it. So it's a B-R-I-G-H-T. That is how it's properly spelt. Bright. And then last but not least, here is a version of C. It sounds correct, but this is the wrong spelling for the word sea. The way they spelt it here, S-E-A, would be the literal ocean. Here, instead, we need to have S-E-E. Okay, underline the adjectives in the sentence. Remember, you guys, an adjective is a describing word. So words that describe how something is. So a lighthouse guides ships through bad weather, thick fog, and dark nights. Here we have 3 adjectives to underline. First is the word bad. The word bad is describing our weather. Thick fog, the word thick is the adjective. It's describing how the fog is. And last but not least, dark. Dark is describing what the night is like. So bad, thick, and dark. And number 4, write an antonym for the bold word. Remember, antonym means opposite. So write an opposite word to the word reduce. Okay, so this is really up to you. Lots of choices. Opposite for the word reduce might be increase or add to. So anything that means the opposite of reduce. I'm not going to write anything here because really this is up to you and what you think an opposite word of reduce is. Great job, you guys, on your DLR.